All right, guys, I got Storm all set, and I got all this tour pack lights and locks and stuff all done up and finished. So now I have it so that whenever I hit the lock for my bags, the saddle bags lock and the tour pack locks. And that's because I just got the part in today for the new lock mechanism with a different shape. So all set, I love it. So we're good to go on that. It's the little things, right? So I have my tail lights that you can see, the sequentials. I love the way they light, but it's just so much more light back there. And made my own limited, so I'm good to go. Tour pack fully functions. I have on my light. I have, the backrest for the backseat passenger. And pretty much everything Unlimited has except for lower leg fairings. And that is a big difference when you don't have them. So I know when it's cold and rainy or whatever, just riding on Grady that has the lower fairings, it makes a world of difference. My shoes are a lot less wet and my body stays a lot more warm when I'm on Grady than when I'm on Storm. So just a little quick short video to show you the potential of what you can do with the bike. If you have a harness, the quick disconnect harness, you can run your lights and wire your lock for your tour pack. But if you have one, a lot of people have not gotten the tour pack. So the only issue is that the BCM hasn't been updated for this bike, so the bike doesn't know that it's available to have a tour pack and rear brake lights. So as you can see, all the functions work except for the brake light on that top bar. But I just love the way the blinkers look, and I love the way the running lights look on this thing so much that I decided to leave it on. It's weird because the brake lights work for the saddlebags, but not just for the tour pack. So, but I'll wait for an update and I'll leave those on there. So this is the view of the brake lights. As you can see, like everything, well, not brake lights, but the rear lights. But when I click on the brake, you can see that the saddlebag lights, which is the same design, they engage, but just not up here. And that's because it hasn't been flashed or updated, and the software is not out for it to update. So the only thing else remaining to do for this bike is I can, change the exhaust out, put a different kind of exhaust on. Whenever the windshields come out, I could definitely change that. Some people are changing the bars, and I don't have a need for that right now, or even a desire, because I like the way the bike handles with the bars that are on there. And some people that are putting bars on theirs, I didn't like how tall they were, even though, like, if you put 12 inches on here, since this is standing up so high, it looks like it's 14. And I saw somebody with 14s on there, and it just kind of looked like it was way too high for this style bike. So I'm not sure what to do with this thing next. Some people are changing their seats. I actually like my seat. It's comfortable. I've broken it in pretty well. And so I could change the seat. I could change the backrest. I could change the bars. But I think that's all I could do for right now. If you got any ideas, some people are painting theirs. But if you have any ideas, let me know. Put in the comments what you think I should do, other than some people are gonna say, trade it in and get a different bike or get a different model, except for Harley. Some people are gonna say that, I already know. But if you think I should get a different style bike other than Harley, then put in the comment what you think I should get. I do like the BMW. I don't remember the model number that it's called. I think it's a K or M or something, 1600. I like that. That would definitely be something that I would grab. I was interested in the Indian, but I have reservations about the Indian right now because of some different videos that I watched that when compared it to, I don't know, I don't know if I would like it after having it for a month or two. So I'm interested in to see what kind of other models Harley-Davidson is going to come out with. Not models, but design that they may release on the 24th. The bikes that they have there now for 2024 are the same, as just different colors, but they haven't shown a few other bikes yet, so we'll see what happens. And so that's it for me. Maybe I'll put both of these in the shop, get them painted. I'll do something to change it up, but something's got to change, right? Well, anyway, talk to you guys later. See you.